Everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can actually track a package in your DHL. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to track your package, if you have done the shipping, then you will simply go to your phone browser and go to search bar and simply type in dhl.com.tracking, and then you will search it up. Then you will get this tracking DHL. Since this is being done from Nepal, so it is showing Nepal option as well, and then you can see this kind of interface will open up. So now what you have to do is you have to enter your tracking number for them to track it for you. So that tracking number is your code, your reference code number, which you get once you are done sending your package for the shipping. That tracking code either sent to you via a text message to your number, which you have added while creating your account there for the shipping information, and to your email address, as you must have entered in your account details as well. So there you will get this code. You will simply go ahead to your inbox or chat box, copy that link, come here over, paste it, and then finally you can tap on this track option given below, and then you will be able to get your scheduled tracking for your particular package. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yes, thank you so much for watching our video till then. I will see you guys next time.